Yeah.
Hey babe, what's
You
up?
have to lock your vehicle from inside now.
Um, I'm not sure. It wasn't working for a minute, but then it started working. I think I put in a ticket, and then when I checked back again, it was working. So I'm not sure.
Well, for me, I have to lock my vehicle before I get out of the vehicle.
Oh, I'm not sure. I'm not sure what's going
What time
on.
is court? 10:30.
It's supposed to be 10:30, yes.
All parties are here.
I don't know. I haven't gotten a response from anyone.
Well, if not, then you make sure you find them
If
properly.
if they don't show up, the case is gonna be thrown out, and they're gonna be fined for wasting my time.
A question. A question.
Mm-hmm.
When that is paid, does that go to the judge, the jury system, the court system?
It goes to the PD. Doesn't benefit the court system at all.
Man, why is this telling me that I'm AFK?
Yeah, they changed it, so you stand up for a minute, so that's you have to keep walking around.
I wasn't even standing for 2 minutes.
Yep, 1 minute it gave you. They changed a lot
God
since they
damn.
updated the rules.
No, I'm okay with the rules being updated. I don't have an issue with
I'm
that. You know what I mean?
I'm good. I just move around, that's all.
Yeah, but I'm talking to somebody and they're just moving. I
That's
love the
true.
fact that they can speed through, the
Through
city
the green
and
zone.
hmm people
Yeah,
driving like mad, crazy people.
yeah.
I feel like that fine should go to you though.
That's something that the government would have to you know. I mean I'm good where I am, you know what
I
I
know.
mean?
I'm just saying it should go to probably the court or something.
Are you working tonight? You're not in uniform.
I'm the chief. Come on.
All right, Chief.
I might just have dinner, with a girl or something.
That sounds like a plan. Since we haven't done anything fun lately.
I'm doing fun lately. I need
Work,
to
home.
activate my eyes. Well,
Uh-oh. Okay.
you say, oh, is that bad?
No, babe, it's not bad. My eyes are on.
It's not bad.
It's good because things happen and you're like, I wish I had eyes on.
Yeah.
God, it's hot.
Babe, I'm gonna go run to the PD a second, alright? Okay,
What,
babe?
babe?
I'm gonna run to the PD.
Okay, all right. Take your time.
Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
Your Honor.
Yes. Can you hear me?
Yes, I'm hearing you.
Okay.
Can I sit beside my friend here?
Are you a lawyer?
No,
Can you sit behind your friend, sir?
I can.
Thank you.
Simple no, you know.
Sir,
Yes, sir. Yes,
what's
sir.
your name again?
Mr. Schuss.
Mr. Shoss?
Yes, yes,
Shoss?
yes.
Okay, Mr. Shoss. Alright. Good. Rambunctious.
And you have to
Okay.
say it with power, sir. Rambunctious.
Okay. So I never tell me
Styles.
that's the full name. You know, say Mr. Shoss.
Mr. Schuss, man.
Or Shoss is
Simple
the
shot.
last name.
You know, we make it easier if you know. Styles is the last name, but Schuss. You
Okay.
can call me Schuss. Yeah, man.
Alright, Mr. Shoss. You always have that briefcase there. You know, me just I wonder.
Business man, you know. Whatever me
I'm
never
a very
expect for, you know, be crippled in this day and age at my age, you know.
You're crippled, you say, sir?
It's from the legs them
quite
I
crippled.
work.
So you're
Yes,
unable
sir.
to walk.
Show him, sir.
Man,
Show him, sir.
I can't walk, man, but I need assistance at a stick here, if you understand me.
Oh, okay. Alright. I'm sorry to hear about that, sir.
Yes, I no longer can perform my normal daily duties, if you understand me.
Good day, sir. It's working in
Okay.
the court. Good days, good days.
Alright.
Good evening.
Okay.
Excuse me, gentlemen, while I go over the file.
Your Honor,
Yes, sir.
if I may, that document that I sent to you is our main piece of evidence we will be using.
Okay, sir.
Yes, ma'am. What is the matter?
Would both
Careful.
parties please approach the bench?
Alright,
Yes,
an officer will be with you.
Just give me a little time here, and I need to take my time and get up there. Okay? I
Okay,
need a
sir.
little assistance, please.
Go on, Mr. Johnny. Just put your hands on my shoulder here, sir. Put your hands on my shoulder. Alright, follow me up here, sir. Follow me, sir.
I don't know who not fool, but it ain't me.
My legs. What
Hey,
you need,
ma'am.
Your
Your Honor. Your Honor.
Yes.
Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
Continue walking, please.
That is my friend and he's injured.
Who is the defendant?
Be right here, Mr.
He's not trying to fool anyone, ma'am. He's injured.
I'm saying
Alright,
who
you
is
good
the
here?
defendant? Who is the defendant?
He's
Mr.
representing himself.
Rambunctious living right here.
Right here.
Are you the one with the hat, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, are you okay standing there?
I would like to have a seat somewhere. It'd be better for me, Your Honor.
You can come sit to my right.
Thank you. That's very gracious of you, Your Honor. I need the assistance.
Alright, no problem. Go on.
Oh, it seems his health has deteriorated in a week.
Yes, you never really know what exactly happened.
Okay.
EMS never really bring me to the hospital, saying could he really
Go ahead.
That was by your choice, sir. You said you didn't want to go.
No, it wasn't.
Alright, sir.
You pull out the chair for me, sir.
No problem.
I will be walking around and pacing these floors because this case is like really upsetting to hear what happened to you, sir. I apologize.
Alright, go ahead.
I'm sorry, it's very unfortunate that I have to be doing this. I really don't want to,
In order not to drag everything out, I would like for you, sir, to tell me what happened and what brought you here tonight.
I mean, exactly what happened at the stoplight.
Exactly what happened that caused you to receive these injuries and for the position you're now in.
Okay, so on my way to go sign my contract for my football club, I stopped at this stop sign along with the three witnesses on my motorcycle. We were there for approximately 5 seconds when the officer pulled up and how do I say this? He struck me with his vehicle. That's when I fell off the bike. The bike fell down, and I received 2 broken legs and injured to the hip. And then, from the hearing, I don't know, it just felt like my condition just deteriorated. I need the assistance of the kin.
Sir, were you being treated by a medical team?
Yes, Your Honor, on the spot.
Were you ever treated after the incident, sir,
No,
for
I've
your
never
injuries?
treated after.
And what amount are you suing the department for, sir?
Well, Your Honor, initially I was suing for the loss of $2 million because I had a contract. But, I reconsidered, I don't want to put the PD in any financial difficulties. So I'm just going to be suing for damages towards me, for my well-being. I have to be walking around with his case and
Okay,
can.
what's the amount that you're suing for?
800,000, Your Honor.
Do you have any other statement that you want to add to the
No,
proceeding, sir?
that is it, Your Honor.
Please note that you can't add anything else after, unless I've
I'm
asked
completely
you.
fine with that, Your Honor.
Okay, officer, you can go ahead and relate to the court what happened.
Officer. Officer.
Yes,
All right.
yes. Can you hear me?
The honorable
Yes.
judge is asking you to relate what happened.
Okay, so I responded to a city Sudan and had my light on. I was in the neighborhood, so I didn't turn my siren on. And coming to the stoplight, I was just looking around to see if I see the individual that was down. The 3 motorcycle was in front of me. By the time I pressed the brake, I already hit the bike. He jumped off. They all jumped off the bike. Then he fell to the ground.
They jumped off the bike or were they hit off the bike?
Say again, ma'am.
Did they jump from the bike or were they hit off the bike?
He jumped off and then he just dropped on the ground.
I'm going to ask you a very important question, officer.
Go ahead, ma'am.
Did you have a body cam on?
Yes, ma'am.
Was the footage submitted? I think it was. Was that the footage that was submitted to me?
Was that the footage you submitted, sir?
No, I submitted another document. But ma'am, if I may, the police department of GC is not denying that this gentleman was somehow hit from his motorcycle. Whether he jumped off or not is not a matter we have intimate knowledge of. What we are, however, disputing is the amount that this gentleman would like to sue for. He had submitted a document indicating that he had a $2 million contract. As per the document that I submitted when I spoke to the director of that football club, that contract was made in error as per the document I was submitted. He was actually contracted for $200,000. He would not be a starting member on the team, and as such, he was contracted to receive $200,000 for a 2-year contract, which after that 2 years it would be renegotiated. I don't know if you had sent him a copy of that document.
No,
But the
I did
PD
not, but I can send it.
the PD is okay and fully agree that he should be compensated for some damage that has been done to him, and we believe that $200,000 is a reasonable sum based on the contract that he had. We are matching the amount.
Thank you. Do you have anything else to add, officer
No,
or
ma'am.
chief?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
I'm acting on behalf of the PD.
Mr. Please pronounce your name again for the court, sir.
Yes. It is Mr. Rambunctious Living.
Mr. Rambunctious Living.
Yes, ma'am, with the little emphasis on the bunctious.
Oh, well, I'm not going to emphasize on that part.
Oh, that's fine, Your Honor.
Sir, could you state to the court the doctor that treated you when you had your injuries?
I have no clue. They never stated his name to me.
I'm going to ask you another question.
Yes, Your Honor.
And this is important.
Yes, Your Honor, go ahead.
Do you have medical record of your injuries?
No, Your Honor.
You don't.
The doctor never provided with me, Your Honor.
Did you think to go to the doctor or the hospital to get such reports, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
So what happened?
I've been looking for him for a couple, couple of days now. Actually, weeks. I have not seen him in town until this instant right here.
So is he here now?
I'm not sure. I'm not sure.
You
That's
said
the
you seen him this instant. I mean, I'm assuming you saw him tonight.
well, Your Honor. I'm assuming that you said the EMS should be here, so I think I was
No, I
thinking
get
that's him over there.
The EMS has an important job to do. I mean, you
Okay,
can always get a report from the EMS about your injury, sir.
okay, Your Honor.
That's all I'm saying. So you don't have a medical report for me to review, do you?
No, I don't, Your Honor. But that was never provided to me, as I said.
I mean, it's your case, so you should be the one or your lawyers to get all the relevant documents needed for court.
Okay, yes, Your Honor, I
And
understand that.
I believe that you've had ample time to do so.
As I said, Your Honor, I've been looking for him. The fact that I could not find him is not. I don't.
Okay, sir. We're not gonna dwell on that. That's
Yes, completely
water
fine, Your
under
Honor.
the bridge. I am going to um make my ruling, and I am going to fine in your favor, but I am going to reward you $150,000.
That's just for damages.
That's what I'm rewarding you, sir. You didn't have proof of your injuries or anything like that, and the department said that they would settle for 200 because that was what was on your contract, but I'm only rewarding you $150,000.
And may I not to be this? I'm not trying to be questioning you, Your Honor, but why just 200?
I don't think I really have to explain myself to you. That's my decision. It's made.
All right, Your Honor, that's completely fine. I'll accept it.
Thank you, sir. Case dismissed.
That is it, Mr. Living.
I'm
That is it.
responding.
So you don't need help again, my brother? Yeah, run, son.
Of course not.
Excuse me.
Yes, sir. How may I help you?
I need to ask you a question about getting a gun permit.
What's your name, sir?
Benelli M5.
Repeat that again.
Benelli M5.
Do you have a criminal record, sir?
Things, you know.
What do you mean you think so? You don't know?
I think so. I think I got like 2 or 1 criminal record.
What's on your criminal record, sir?
Robbery.
Wait, what?
You say what's on my criminal record?
Yeah, you said robbery. Is there anything
Yeah.
else on there? Anything that I should know about?
Attempting murder and carrying a class 2 weapon. That's it.
Do you have what was the last time that you had a record? When was the last time you had a criminal record?
About 2 days ago, or a good while now.
Sir, you have to be specific. What do you mean 2 days ago or a good while now?
Cause the thing is, I just can't remember. It's like, alright, it's like a day now or 2 days. I'm sure. I'm not sure about
Okay,
that.
if it's a
2 days ago.
day now or a two,
Yeah.
send
Me
me
know.
your name via email via the Supreme Court, and I will get that over to the department. I cannot give expunge a record unless I have the facts.
Okay, because at first me go to the police station and explain it. Them pull up my records and thing and say I have to go come to the judge because me have
That's correct.
records.
That's
So
correct.
me say okay. So now me come cause them say for the records I have you good. I go give me a time to keep
That's
my
what I'm
record clean.
that's what I'm leading to. That's why I want to see your record. I don't want to give you a time and then, you know,
Yeah.
I cannot just take your word for it that that's what's on your record. You understand what I'm saying? I
Yeah,
have to
I understand.
view
I understand.
your record first, but I will go to the station and I will uh check in with the office one of the officers there to see what's on your record. So send me an email right now. Let me check it out.
So
And give me
you
your
can
contact number so I would
explain
call you.
how me send the email right now, please.
Hold on, let me pause my eyes.